Let's talk about Bluegrass Weevil. This lawn here has Bluegrass Weevil. Let's show you how to find it, how to treat it, give you some more information about it. So this damage here is actually from Bluegrass Weevil. First thing I always want to do, just like always, you're going to want to take a core from a nice healthy green area and a area from the yellow. In this case, it's the exact same. Now with Bluegrass Weevil, it's a larvae that's going to be chewing on the roots, so it's going to tear up nice and easy. So do the pull test. See how this is pulling back super easy. This could take a little bit of time, so be patient. You're going to want to dig around. The key tell is that it's peeling up. See how easy that peels back? So look around. You're going to sift through this thatch layer, peel back, and right here we have one of the larvae. What it's going to look like, this is the larvae stage. It's going to be a white larvae with a red tip. It's going to be that size, maybe a little bit larger. Now what happens is when this becomes an adult, it's going to turn into a beetle. So you'll see it on the very tip, it has coming off the very front on the top. I don't even know what you call it, but it's just a pointer off the top. It usually has 2 antennas off the top as well. This is the adult version. It's going to lay eggs, and you usually get about 1 generation per year, but the eggs and the larvae may go over winter. These are very active in the summer months. You are more likely to find it along the edge of the yellow area and the green. An area that is full yellow, they've probably moved on, and they're probably munching in the area right where it's green and yellow. Now the way to treat this, the best way is a loft. It's just a granular. Put this down at the proper rates. Make sure the client waters this in. It's not activated until watered in. So if you put it down and they mow and bag, there's a possibility some of this might not get down. So the earlier they water this in, the earlier it's going to kill these things. Okay, make sure you apply that aloft to the entire lawn. They water it in. Also, add a job note. We need to make sure that we know that there was active Bluegrass Weevil in this lawn, because we're going to want to make sure to stay on top of this, monitor this for at least a year. There's a high chance that these eggs and larvae, there will be another generation next season, so add that job note. Walk around the entire lawn. You're going to notice a lot of damage. Come down to this spot here. It's the exact same. It pulls up super easy. Same thing down here. However, don't just assume if there's any yellow spots, it's because of Bluegrass Weevil. Educate your client. If we walk up to the spot by the driveway, this spot here is not Bluegrass Weevil. If I grab it and pull, it's rooted in nice and tight. So if the customer or you think that this entire thing is from Bluegrass Weevil, this isn't going to get better. This is a watering issue. So check the moisture, talk to the client. That way we can get the entire lawn looking better.